R2-D2, Your Highness.
Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve, and I am back with another installment of the Star Wars Build Your Own R2-D2. Now, this kit I purchased originally from Model Space D'Agostini, and getting around to finally finishing it up. And this time I'm doing issue 72, and we'll be fitting in the speaker into the side panel here. So let's look at the instructions. And as you can see here, the R2-D2 speaker. Here's all the components that we received. Very simple assembly this time. So we'll be installing the front face of the speaker, the cover. Then the speaker itself, putting on the back plate for it. And that's what it will look like. Let me get the parts and I'll be right back. Here's the parts for issue 72. Let's get a closer look. Here's a close-up of all the parts. Everything here is plastic except for the speaker. Bring over our side panel and we'll put on the cover first. On the back side of the cover is an arrow. So the arrow is actually going to face downwards this way. Just like that. That's what that looks like. Turn this over. And we're going to bring this panel on here too. And it's actually going to line a notch up. There's a notch there on the bottom with the notch hole right there. And just like that. 2.3 by 6 millimeter screw goes into this. Until it's snug. There we go. Looks good. That's how that looks there. Next, I'll bring over the speaker. I'm going to put that down on top here just like that. Bring over the cover for that. I'm going to put that down on top of that. And once again, 2 more screws go into here. The same size screws, 2.3 by 6 millimeter. And the last one. And that's good there. Speaker is fully installed. Looks great. And that's all I do with issue 72. We installed the speaker and it looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and look at the magazine articles. Let's give this a quick look here. Designing the past in building the galaxy. Very cool there. Droids of Ninjita. I probably didn't say that right, but that's okay. Actuators. Very nice. And of course, our instructions. And we get a preview of what we're getting in issue 73, which will be pack 19. So that'll be coming up next. We'll have 4 more stages in pack 19. So I'll be right back. And there you have it. That completes issue 72. Stay tuned for issue 73, located in pack 19 like I just said. Remember, you can only get this right now from Fan Home. I purchased mine from Model Space D'Agostini a few parsecs back, or whatever that is. Anyway, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.